Excellency Dr. Abiy Ahmed Ali, the Prime Minister of the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia.
Your Excellency Cyril Ramaphosa, Your Excellencies, Heads of State and Government, distinguished delegates, let me begin by extending my appreciation to President Cyril Ramaphosa for his extraordinary leadership. I also would like to acknowledge Johannesburg, a city of opportunity and progress. Excellencies, it is with humility and hope that I address you on African soil at this historic G20 summit. Humility because Ethiopia's journey is still unfolding. Hope because our story, like that of many nations here, shows that transformation is possible even in difficult circumstances. Ethiopia is a land of ancient civilization, defined by resilience, and prospects is still being written. Our homeland has sheltered faiths. Our people have built lasting societies. From this legacy comes Maddamar, a philosophy of unity in diversity, of synergetic collaboration that multiplies potential and of progress shared by all. Guided by this spirit, Ethiopia is moving toward inclusive growth. Our cities are becoming hubs of innovation. Industrial parks reshape economies. Farmers use tools their parents could never imagine. Young entrepreneurs and building businesses that were impossible to dream of a generation ago. For too long, countries like ours have been labeled fragile or poor. Yet our story is a quiet revolution of bold actions rewriting what is possible. Because growth is the achievement of people who refuse to be left behind. In Ethiopia, we have learned that inclusivity is not charity, it is efficiency. When every farmer, entrepreneur, and innovator shares in progress, the economy becomes self-sustaining. Our journey has been tested by drought, conflict, and global shocks. Yet from those tests emerges transformative renewal. We are investing in renewable energy that powers both homes and hope, digital infrastructures that connect the citizens, and green agriculture turning smallholder farmers into climate champions. Excellencies, we're not here to speak of despair. We're here to speak of possibility and of shared responsibility. In that spirit, let me highlight three priorities. First, debt. Ethiopia has engaged actively with the G20 common framework to unlock resources. Debt relief must translate into investments that empower people and secure the future, including educated children, modern hospitals, and resilient infrastructure. Second, climate. Through our Green Legacy Initiative, Ethiopians have planted over 48 billion seedlings, restoring soils, watersheds, and hope ecological restoration must become the new global investment landscapes, supported by debt for climate swaps and green value chains that reward nature and communities. Third, energy and digital transformation. The Grand Ethiopia Renaissance Dam symbolizes Africa's renewable ambition. We are expanding into solar, wind, geothermal, and nuclear power, and we envision an Africa energy network that drives industrialization while achieving net zero emissions. Through Digital Ethiopia, we have liberalized telecom, expanded broadband, and advanced digital finance. By 2030, we aim to complete our national digital public infrastructure, integrating IDs, payments, and data platforms to serve citizens. For Ethiopia, artificial intelligence is a tool for inclusion, helping predict droughts, diagnose diseases, and support local language, ensuring technology works for all. Excellencies, Ethiopia's journey mirrors that of many emerging economies. Our success offers lessons, our challenges offer insights. Inclusivity and sustainable growth is both a practical and a moral imperative for our continent. It requires humility to reconsider what we treasure and courage to redefine what we value. I propose that the G20 adopts a new lens, measures resilience as growth. Let us count not only GDP, but the capacity of societies to withstand and adapt, because that ultimately is what sustains development. Ethiopia stands ready, rooted in Madamar, to contribute to this shared global journey. I thank you.